So these are the books. So now I was actually saying, why do I even have a lot of books? Okay. Oh, this camera's not on the focus. It's kind of like laggy. There's the plant. It's a plant. Okay, Derek. Okay, so by the way, guys, that was my dad putting me on a coat. You want to see? See, it's a blue jacket, and right here. So, yep, entire thing of blue jacket. Yep. So by the way, if we're gonna get started, it's kind of raining. There's a way I'm covering my phone because I don't want my phone to get wet because I got to cover my armpit because of the phone. It's kind of hard to see better, but you can instantly see like everything else to cover my phone out. Okay, so after all that, now I'm in the car. However, my dad is with me. So I got a bottle of water. Yep. Kind of cold. It's raining. Somehow this thing right here is actually hard to see. It's actually just like you. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. The screen looks kind of dirty right now. So yeah, it might be. These are my sunglasses, so I'm gonna wear them now. Okay, now I look perfect. Now this is one of the fun part is raining in clouds. Now, if I was actually just like everything, see everything about clouds is just like raindrops and water. Like it's raining like a shower. It's actually like a shower. You know, one of those things where you take a shower and then you wash your hair like that? Yeah, that's one of those. But a cloud is different. It's cold. So yeah, goodbye.